Hi folks, welcome to today's masterclass. We're going to talk about televisions in caravans today and tuning them in. There's a little bit of science involved as you move from city to city, the repeater stations will operate on slightly different frequencies, which may mean you need to retune your TV each time. But to get to that point, we need to tune our antenna, and that's where this gadget comes in. What this is a TV signal meter. Now you can buy these at JCar or Camec, lots of places, and it'll tell you when your antenna is pointed in the right direction, and it'll give you a strength reading so you know the antenna's right. Now I can tune my TV in, I've got a good chance of getting a signal. So first we raise our antenna. The antenna's up. Now we need to rotate it to get the optimum signal for the transmitter. And we've almost bullseyed it. We've got very close to full signal. Now with this particular antenna, we pull the outer cone down and we rotate. Then all of a sudden we have full signal. There's just a little light flicker in the last light. Now it's on solid. We should have full signal and can tune our TV in without any problems. Now that we've tuned the antenna and got it pointing in the right direction, we've selected Autotune on the television set, so now it'll pick up all the local channels. It'll take a few minutes, so go grab yourself a cup of tea, sit back, relax, and we'll be on the cartoons in no time. Amazing timing, tuned straight in for Dick Van Dyke. I feel like I'm in a time warp. Anyway, we'll watch a bit of Dick Van Dyke, have a bit of a snooze and relax for the afternoon. For more great tips like this on how to use your camper and caravan, head over to our website or follow us on Facebook.